Algebraic equations with combining like terms and the distributive property. And this is a digital lesson and it's Halloween themed. So the lesson starts with explaining that algebraic equations with distributive property and combining like terms are not difficult to solve. So before we begin solving the equation, they need to simplify first by combining like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign and distributing any terms that are outside the parentheses. So we're going to start with combining like terms. So you can see in orange here are two like terms. They both have the same variable, and they're on the same side of the equal sign, so we can combine them to get 9x, and then we can continue to solve the equation. Same thing here. This time the variable is on the other side of the equal sign. As long as they're on the same side, we can combine them, and here we get negative 2y. And then when we go ahead and solve the problem, we get y equals 12. So starting on slide 4, students are going to be typing in the text boxes. So here they're going to combine the like terms. 12d plus negative 8d gives us 4d. And then if we go ahead and solve it by dividing both sides by 4, we get d equals 4. So they just have to type in their answers. And here we're going to combine these like terms and go ahead and solve. Now each one of these variables is going to be connected. Most of them are going to be connected to their answer on the final slide to solve a Halloween riddle. So they're going to match this letter with the number of the answer. Okay, so the next one, same thing, combining like terms and then solving. Then here they have combining like terms on both sides of the equal sign. And then we go to distributive property. So here we're going to distribute that 2, and then we can go ahead and solve the rest of the problem. Here we're distributing the 5. And so on. There's a few more to practice. And then we're going to get some problems with combining like terms and distributive property. So here they're going to distribute first and then combine like terms and then go ahead and solve their equation. Now on the final slide, we've got all the answers from the previous slides. They're going to go back and they're going to find the variable that goes with each of these answers. And they're going to type in that variable in order to solve the Halloween riddle. So if they've done all these problems correctly, they will correctly solve the riddle. So that is algebraic equations, combining like terms and distributive property, Halloween themed.